Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Kindle beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your Kindle device from the box it comes in. Ensure that you have all the included items such as the Kindle, charging cable, and quick start guide. Next, locate the power button on your Kindle, usually found on the bottom or back of the device. Press and hold the power button for a few seconds until you see the Kindle logo appear on the screen. Once the logo appears, release the power button and wait for the device to start up. Follow the on-screen prompts to select your preferred language. Next, connect your Kindle to a Wi-Fi network by tapping on your network name and entering the password. After connecting to Wi-Fi, your Kindle may prompt you to sign in to your Amazon account. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password to proceed. If you don't have an Amazon account, select the option to create a new account and follow the prompts. Once logged in, your Kindle may update its software automatically. After the update is complete, you will be guided through a brief tutorial introducing the main features of your Kindle. You can now access the Kindle store directly from your device. Browse or search for books you'd like to purchase or download. To download a book, simply select it from the store, and it will begin downloading automatically. Once your book is downloaded, you can find it in your library. Tap on the book to start reading it. Explore your Kindle settings to customize your reading experience. You can adjust font size, brightness, and line spacing to suit your preferences. Congratulations, you are now set up and ready to enjoy your Kindle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.